Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Hope you're doing super fantastic wherever you're at. In this edition, I do a quick unboxing and a review, a very short review of the Weize Scissor stabilizer jacks. I'm replacing them on my Rockwood Minilight 2205S, the front ones. The back ones survived the collision at public storage okay, but the front scissor jacks and the entrance steps to my travel trailer didn't fare well. So I'm going to replace them this weekend, so here's a quick unboxing. Thanks to the folks at Weize for sending these to me. I paid cash for them. I ordered them through Amazon. I didn't get any deals. Here's the crank handle. I already have one. I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. Come in these nice little plastic bags. Don't forget to check out my photography website, RVTA.myportfolio.com. Empty box. And there's the attachment for my power drill. Oh, by the way, did not come with any bolts and nuts or anything to attach it to my RV. Luckily, I saved the 8 from my original equipment stabilizers, and they fit okay. Again, they did not send me any nuts and bolts. That's pretty bad. Here's some side and various views, and of course, if you're crawling under your RV, you can read this because this is going to be under it, and you can say, "Hey, here are the instructions." Very nice. Here's another view. Hope you like it. And another view. Looks well made. But again, any stabilizer jack, be it scissor jacks or whatever, you have to be careful not to have people in the middle of the night bump into your RV and knock it off its, foundation. These jacks extend to 24 inches and contract to 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, luckily I have some nuts and bolts. Ring the bell for future notification again. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.